Hey everyone, I'm Jennifer and I'm majoring in computer science. Super excited to meet you all.
Hi, Jennifer. I'm Hudson, studying economics. Nice to meet you. I've always been interested in how technology and economics intersect.
Hi, I'm Sophia, pursuing a degree in environmental science. It's great to have such a diverse group here.
Absolutely. It's awesome that we come from different backgrounds. So, what made you choose economics, Hudson?
Well, I've always been fascinated by the way economic systems work, and with the increasing role of technology, I thought it would be cool to explore how they influence each other. What about you, Jennifer?
Oh, I've been into programming since high school and I love creating things. Computer science felt like the perfect fit to turn my passion into a career. And Sophia, how did you end up in environmental science?
Well, I've always been an advocate for the environment. I believe understanding the science behind it is crucial for making positive changes. Plus, I'm curious about how technology can contribute to sustainable solutions.
That's interesting. We're definitely going to have some diverse perspectives in our discussions.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to learning from each other. So, any exciting projects or hobbies you guys have outside of classes?
You know, besides economics, I'm really into photography. It's a fantastic way to capture moments and emotions. I even have a little darkroom set up at home.
That's awesome, Hudson. Photography is such a creative outlet. I'm more into gaming myself. I love exploring virtual worlds and the challenge of solving puzzles in games.
Photography and gaming sound like great ways to unwind. I'm into hiking and outdoor activities. There's this beautiful trail near the campus that I explore whenever I need a break from studies.
Hiking sounds fantastic, Sophia. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors. Maybe you can recommend some beginner-friendly trails?
Absolutely. Hudson, I'd be happy to. And Jennifer, do you have any favorite games you'd recommend?
Oh, definitely. I'm really into strategy games and RPGs. If you're up for a challenge, I can give you some recommendations.
Sounds great. I'm always up for a challenge. By the way, Jennifer, have you ever thought about combining your interest in gaming with your computer science skills?
Funny you mentioned that, Hudson. I've been toying with the idea of game development. It would be a dream to create my own game one day.
That's amazing. I love how each of us brings unique interests and skills to the table. It feels like we have the makings of a great team already.
Absolutely. We should definitely explore some interdisciplinary projects in the future. It could be a fascinating blend of technology, economics, and environmental science.
Guess what? I've started learning the guitar. It's such a stress reliever.
That's cool. I've been thinking about picking up an instrument.
Funny you mention that. I play the guitar too. We should jam sometime.
Count me in. And Hudson, you could join. We might even form a band.
Haha, that sounds amazing. A band with such diverse majors, now that's unique.
Totally. Music has a way of bringing people together. Maybe we can perform at some university events.
Love the idea. It could be a fusion of technology, economics, environmental science, and music.